It's me, Michael JJ254. It's another time, another moment with you guys. So, yeah, it's in the evening. It's around 4 o'clock in the evening over here in Kenya. And some few days ago, I did a plantation of trees. Not only trees, but fruits. So, I'm gonna show you. Yeah. So the one that you see here, this one is a guava tree. I planted this one here, and then there's some more on the other side. Let me just show you a little bit because I'm about to plant one now. Yeah, let's open here. So I get, yeah, I put this one to avoid the cow crossing to the other side over there because it's destroying some flowers, something that I don't want. So just put that one to avoid the cow going to the compound on the other side. Yeah, I did some onions over here. As you can see, doing great so far. So far, so good. So, I told you I planted some fruits. So this one is called a pawpaw. Yeah, I planted this one over here, and there's a big one over there. So the big one is over here, and there's another fruit over here. It was here. I didn't plant this one. It was here. This one is called a white supporter, and these are potatoes. That's a white support over there. Yeah, I need to replace some onions. Some are dying. It's a white supporter, kind of a vegetable I planted here. Now it's growing. Now it's doing well. This one here, and more. Let me just go to the other side over there so that I can show you what I did here. Yeah, let me just do this. Okay, there you go. So it's here now. It's doing great. So far so good. It's another papaya over here. We call pawpaw. It's here, and there's one more over here. There's another one here. See, it's growing now. It's catching up now. Not very bad. I decided to put here at the back of this house of our cow, so that the animals will not destroy it. These trees. So, and I'm planning to. I want to plant another one right now. Let's move this one over here first. Yeah, guys. Planting fruits in the village. I think that will be the best title of this video. Yeah, Wiz is calling me. Wiz. What's up? What do you want? You feel hungry? Or you just, yeah, see what it will do. Come. See. Come. We see what he's doing. It's coming now. Come. Yeah, it's coming. It's quite. There you go. So he's on top of me. Oh yeah. Okay. It's now. Okay, I'm here with Wiz. Wiz. Oh yeah, what's up? Yeah. It's always coming on top of me, but just like this, So I need to hold him. Yeah. So that. Usilock number. Napeleka wapi fungu? Fungu atinga tu na wacho huko. Ukuje na diesel, eh? Yeah, Frankie is going to the market. I told him to bring the diesel because some people are gonna come to the portion mill. So I wanna leave here. Wiz. Yeah. That's Wiz. Wiz, bye. Wiz. This one, someone told me this fruit is from, it's called fenesi from Mombasa. It's kind of a big tree, but I want to plant here in a compound so that we can have this kind of fruit over here. They told me this fruit is called fenesi. See, well, that we call fenesi. Yeah. Cheese. Oh, and this is the one. This is the tree that I'm telling you. This is the one over here. It's tiny, but it will grow to be a very big tree. Easy, very easy over there. You see. So then I'll put a little bit of water. So put it a lot of water. Just a bit of water. Yeah. So before you plant, you need to remove pepper. The pepper around it should be removed. So you need to split it like this. I remove the pepper so that the roots are gonna reach the water down. See the way it looks like. Yeah. There we go. See the way it looks like. Then I need to cover it with this soil around here. Need to cover with the soil. Just like that. As easy as like that, you know. Cover with the soil. So, and that's how I do plant trees in the village. Yeah. So guys, it's me, Michael JJ 254, in the village, and it was a planting of fruits in the village, and that's how I do my work. Yeah, you see, this one, it's all okay. It's now producing some more leaves. This one is one of the fruits also, and that's how I do plant my fruits in the village over here. Yep. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you're making sure that you're subscribing to Michael JJ 254 channel, and make sure that you leave your best comment in this video down over here. Then every comment that you write over here, I'll just write it back. Yeah, I'll just answer every question that you ask me over here. Every comment, I'll just reply to every comment that you put down over here in this video. As you can see, we have some progress on this one. This one is orange. This one is a grafted orange. Yeah, another fruit is here. It's called white supporter. This one is called white supporter. It's a big tree actually, and so we'll be having, yeah, mango is coming up. More branches are coming up also. Yeah, let's see. And then another mango is here. Let me show you some of the fruits that we already used. Yeah, the guava is here. This one is a big tree right now. Yeah, now it's having some small fruits. As you can see, the guava tree is here. Tiny fruits here. Yeah, actually we've already tested this one already. This but this one is not yet. This one is a vine, like the one in the Bible. They say, "My father is a gardener. I'm the real vine." But in Swahili they call it lacquers. It's now big, big tree. Yeah, it's going to be a big tree, you know. So I see. Oh no, it's a tiny one. Or is it over there? Let me see what are we having here. Need to pull this. Need to be very, very careful for this. So, okay. Yeah, it's a tiny guava. And see what are we having. Guava. Tiny one. It's already ripening. Okay. Yeah. Just one. So guys, and more vinyl. Still waiting for it to bear fruits, and then another guava is here. So guys, I want to appreciate for those who just watched my video. Make sure that you subscribe to the video, and make sure that you watch the video from the beginning up to the end. And then we have a lot of there's a lot of avocado fruits on top over there. It's just a lot. We are maybe after like 3 months I'll be harvesting this one. You see the way it looks like. We're having a lot of it over there. A lot. Let me just go closer over there. I show you closer to the tree so that you see what I mean. It's a little bit higher. See, we're having a lot of avocado, like the tiny one, but we have a lot up over there. We're having a lot. Man. Can't go up over there. So guys, thank you for watching Michael JJ254 video. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, share the video, drop a comment, and every comment that you drop it over here, I'll be answering every question or any comment that you put over here. So see you in the next one. Bye guys. It's me, Michael JJ254 in the village. See you in the next one. Bye.